Designed for professional shawarma kitchens. It has a motor at the bottom and features speed and direction control. Automatic cutting blade with adjustable thickness. This machine system requires no maintenance thanks to its gear drive mechanism. Thanks to the heated tray, the chopped meat will stay tender and warm. A gas cooking grill in which you can also burn charcoal. You can move the flame closer to or further away from the meat. Detailed and understandable instructions for use in our donor robots. Touch screens with menus are used.
Arican grills, cooking systems with lava stones,